So hi guys, for today's video we're gonna learn about on how to connect social media accounts and schedule posts using Zepify.io social planner. So first, click marketing, then click social planner, this one, then click connect account. So here's the social account that you can connect. Let's say for example in Facebook. So continue, click continue, this one. Click Facebook page connected. So after that, we can click new post. It can be either evergreen post for a library of timeless content or recurring posts that automatically repeat on a schedule and generate feed from RRS posts that automatically create and share posts from your favorite RSS feeds. Let's say this one, click prioritize new content. This one. So this one, click new post. So here you can write your content or upload your image or videos and choose the platform you want to publish on. So after that, you can click this post button to publish immediately, or you can select a future date and time to schedule your post. Say for example, this one said you can type your content here, upload your photos or images or video, and you can choose platform you want to publish on. It can be feed, reel, or story. So after once you fill in here, click post to publish immediately, or you can select a future date and time to schedule your post. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.